Off the coast of Cape Arena near Praia, Mare, in the Italian region of Calabria, lies the small island of Dino. It was once connected to the mainland until erosion eroded the land bridge. The sparse collection of buildings, set amidst green foliage, hint at a chapter in the island's long human history. The name, however, has intrigued outsiders about its connection to the ancient dinosaurs. Dino Island covers about 50 hectares and reaches a maximum height of about 100 meters. The northern part of the island is characterized by steep limestone cliffs that rise more than 80 meters, about 260 feet above sea level. To reach Dino Island, tourists usually start their journey from Praia, Mare, which is easily accessible by train or car. This 2-kilometer-long beach is the main attraction for tourists besides Dino Island. The beach is sandy at the northern end, but becomes more pebbly toward the south. During the summer months, the coast is divided into around 50 sandy beaches, although there are occasionally unprotected beaches that are open to the public at no charge. At the southern end of the town, about 100 meters from the beach, is a rock outcrop called Dino Island. From Praia, Mare, it is a short boat or kayak trip to the island itself. Visitors can enjoy guided boat tours around the island or rent kayaks and paddle boats to explore the coastline and caves independently. The surrounding waters are ideal for swimming and snorkeling due to their clarity and biodiversity. The island is famous for its many sea caves, which were formed by water erosion. Notable caves include Grotta Azzurra, or Blue Cave. This is the largest cave, known for its stunning blue waters. Grotta del Leone, or Grotta delle Sardine, so named for its crystal-clear waters that reveal a vibrant underwater ecosystem. Grotta del Frontone, or Grotta del Monaco. This cave features a rock formation that resembles a praying monk. Grotta Gargiulo, on the other hand, is accessible only to experienced divers and is about 18 meters, 59 feet, below sea level. Dino Island offers rich Mediterranean vegetation, including rare species such as the dwarf palm and Primula di Palinuro. The island also serves as a resting place for migratory birds and is home to a variety of marine life, making it attractive to nature lovers. The island's name comes from the Italian Edina, meaning temple, or the Greek Dino, meaning whirlpool or storm. The island has a long history of human activity, having been frequented by pirates and various navies over the centuries. The island was primarily used by Muslim ships during military campaigns in Italy from the 9th to 11th centuries. The Normans built a tower on the island, and the area was later used by the Kingdom of Naples. During World War I, the British sailing ship Umballa was sunk by a German submarine near the island. In the 1960s, industrialist Johnny Agnelli attempted to develop the island into an exclusive resort, but this plan ultimately failed, leaving several buildings abandoned. All that remains of this once great venture are a few buildings such as Trulli and a restaurant, all of which are no longer in use. Dino Island has no association with prehistoric animals such as dinosaurs. The name Dino in the context of the island is more related to the interpretation of the name derived from Latin or Greek, such as Edina, place of worship, or Dine, storm. The island is known for its natural beauty and history, as well as geological features such as spectacular sea caves, but has no connection to fossils or discoveries of dinosaurs. However, you can find an archaeological excavation site at Praia, Mare, not far from the Church of the Madonna della Grota. Here the bones of a prehistoric shark have been found. About 50 meters up the mountainside that towers above the town, there is another large cave complex, also formed by waves several million years ago, within which the Church of the Madonna della Grota is located. Both the church and the shrine are still in use today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Arifs documentary. See you in the next video.